How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect router to router in Cisco Packet Tracer. Now, first things first, I'm going to add this simple routers right here. And of course, let's also add some switches. Now, it's not important, but in order to connect it to your computers or devices, you just want to make sure that you have switches. So from here, we are going to connect our router to our gigabit 00 to our first switch. Same thing with the other one. And then you want to connect the second gigabit port onto the next router. So from there, it's as simple as typing in the right IP addresses. In my case, I'm going to use something like 192.168.1.1. Once again, you could just set this to whatever you want to, but generally, if you're doing it, you have to do it easy. And for the second one, since we have priced it or set it to .1.1, we could just do the same thing, 192.168.1, but this time you want to change the other end with something like 2 or any other value right here. But by the way, just also make sure to turn each ports on. And now for the gigabit Ethernet 0.1, let's just do the same thing where we set up 192.168.2.1. So the only difference is this 2 before 1. Let's navigate back to our switch. And then once again, it's going to be extremely simple by navigating through the IP address itself. And basically, after waiting for a couple of seconds, they should be able to connect properly. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.